So, hi everybody, a very warm good afternoon, good morning, namaskar, sat sri akal, adab. I'm Justin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing, manufacturing, and supplying home and office decor and interior solutions. A quick cheers on a nice cup of black roasted coffee, which is so good to kickstart yourself and your throat and stuff. As you can see, I'm feeling a lot better. Of course, the antibiotics and everything have been working, and so is the rest and the sun and everything and all that. So, uh, you know, we're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office interior solutions and accessories and stuff. And besides that, I also attend and participate at various forums, and I'm also, present at various forums for startup ideas and innovations and stuff like that. And before me is this great revolutionary idea, which is actually on the concept of Wi-Fi. Okay, so in my family, in my lineage, is Dr. Narinder Singh Kapani, who's the founder of Fiber Optics. This is not about him, but this article got my interest, and when I was reading it, I was like, hey, it's very much in sync with what he did, thanks to which, because of Dr. Narendra Singh Kapani, the scientist, we've got, the internet and everything, telecommunications is happening and all that, but now what can we look forward to? Thanks to the brains and thanks to the questioning and curiosity and probing capacity of people, who are thinkers and who like to kind of question everything. Even I used to do that when I was in school and college, question a lot. And somebody just made a random comment on me many years back online. So I'm very wary of people I meet online that I ask too many questions. If I didn't have this capacity of asking questions, I wouldn't be where I am. Anyways, this is not about me. This is actually about this article, which is actually on electricity, which is going to be like Wi-Fi. So people who follow science and people who follow technology, people who follow innovation, genius ideas, Albert Einstein has happened to us many years back. But this is the present time, and this is a team at Disney. This is Disney who's researched and demonstrated an idea, which, if powered well, they're already working on it in some countries, can actually make electricity work on an idea like Wi-Fi. So the caption is, or the read is, if a room has to be powered wirelessly, can it work like Wi-Fi? Can you kind of tune in and tune out, like connect in and connect out like Wi-Fi? So they have a design of a room here, which has got a signal generator. They've got a power amplifier. They've got a copper pole. They've got the same concept on which Wi-Fi works, and they've got the safety tests and everything happening, and then they have a sofa there, and there's a person sitting there, and they have this idea of the distance factor coming in, starting from 55 meters to 8.6 kilometers. And are we going to be able to connect to electricity like Wi-Fi? So, wireless power, the next innovation idea, can actually be helping us with the battery anxiety and untidy cables, where you don't have to carry around chargers and power banks and stuff, because you can actually connect into spaces, which is a decluttering idea, and you can charge your phones and your computers and stuff like that. And you do not have to kind of look at constructing high poles and things like that. You can actually look at safety in some places like hospital rooms, fuel stations, public places, and other cable areas where you can provide these points and stuff. And then you have things like door sensors and smart lock systems, which can be powered to avoid oversized plugs and stuff like that. So powering in becomes a lot easy and stuff. So it's a good article. I'm not going through the whole article. See this. This is on they don't have the page number here. Yeah, the Times of India. The section is science and it's called How Soon Will Electricity Be Like Wi-Fi? Imagine charging everything without plugging in anything. It looks amazing to me from a design and architecture point of view. Also, the layout of the design, which represents your connections of Wi-Fi, which is electricity, is also very clear. So it's nice. You've got a receiver, you've got a connector, you've got an amplifier, and you've got the wires and everything which are not visible. And you walk into a room, and suddenly you're in a area which has got electricity happening to you. This is next level. This is not there in any movie, I'm supposing. And this could help you in charging cars. It can help you in charging phones, buses. It can help you in charging your laptops, computers. And I'm assuming, I've not been through the article because of whatever reasons, but I think you can uh, this is looking really nice and promising and stuff. So get reading this. And I'm on jkapani@gmail.com, justinKapani.im@gmail.com, justinKapani.office@gmail.com. So love and luck and take care, and stay close to stuff like chai, coffee. Drink a lot of water. You miss out on water during the winters and stuff. Drink a lot of water, and stay close to turmeric water or turmeric milk. Make it a point of your diet every day, no matter what. If you don't like the taste of it, add some honey to it, or it's going to taste really nice, like a cocktail or a mocktail or whatever, because it's in the longevity. It's going to really help you and stuff. And I'm going to sign out on this. So on a Monday morning, a bright start. I'm sure I'm looking good and bright, though I've got a reaction to some medicines. I've got a boil here, so I'm not able to talk freely. But whatever, जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. Probably all this is to kind of keep my energy focused and not waste it on frivolous stuff. So jkapani@gmail.com, justinkapani.im@gmail.com. So love and luck and take care and have fun, have a blast, enjoy, and content is king. Education is empowering. It's 2025, 2026. So the quality of content you follow, the quality of learning and the knowledge and skill set is very important. Have the power to question stereotypical thinking, what's taught in colleges, what's taught in school and stuff. Be brave enough to question everything and anything. Ask a question, and who knows, by asking a question, you may even bring about some change in the thinking of your own classrooms or people around you and stuff. So that could, in a way, set the ball rolling for some impact and some change and stuff. So keep it going, and enjoy yourself and lead by example. Take care, love and luck. Bye bye. Cheers. Bye.